What's up everyone, I'm Tim.
And Nathan.
And we are.
And
what you got?
2 packs of Silver Tempest.
Right, Nathan's got 2 packs of Silver Tempest. We're just out on a river walk. Gorgeous weather. There's Mummy. And Erica is asleep in there. Let's get into this, Nathan. Which are we going to open first?
Go for what is it?
See if we can get a nice hit. Fourth on the back. Sword and Shield era, absolutely love it. Prefer it to Scarlet and Violet. Let me know in the comments whether you prefer Sword and Shield or Scarlet and Violet era.
Fire Energy. Lance.
I'm not a huge fan of Scarlet and Violet, but 151 and Paddy and Fates are obviously awesome sets.
Random. Solosis. Krogan. Dodo.
We'll even get a hit from one of these packs.
Kittencat.
Or not.
Sonicin.
Cool.
Professor Lavington.
Cool. You're literally covering the pictures, Nathan.
And a Talonflame.
And Talonflame. Right, next pack. Let's see if Nathan can get a hit. You may notice Nathan's sunglasses are a bit wonky, but you know. Right, we'll Nathan get anything from this second pack.
Energy.
Of course.
Punchbowl.
You're covering the pictures of Pokemon, Nathan.
Slipper. Capturing Aroma.
Cool.
Sandy. Phoebus.
Sleepy Fish.
Teeny.
Cool.
Wyomar.
Cool.
Clink.
Clink.
Trainer Gallery Gardevoir.
Oh, there we go. That's a lovely little hit. Trainer Gallery Gardevoir. Nathan gets a nice hit
And
there.
a Zygarde.
And a Zygarde. Well, Nathan does get the Gardevoir Trainer Gallery hit, so a decent little hit there. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Peace.
Peace out.